Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the warranty status of your HP SPECTRE X360 laptop. So in order to check the warranty status, we're gonna need to find out the serial number and optionally, but most probably, the product number too. They are both located on the back side of your laptop, and if you take a look at the label on the back side of your laptop, you will find both the serial number and the product number. So I recommend writing them down or taking a photo of them on your laptop in order to find the appropriate information about your device. Now, once you do that, let's turn the laptop on and let's enter the web browser. Then let's go to any search engine and let's search for HP check warranty. We'll be able to find it on their website, on the support website. So let's enter the support website, and here we're gonna have to select the region of purchase. So select your region of purchase, and in the following fields you're gonna have to enter the serial number of your laptop. And after you enter the serial number, you'll also have to enter the product number. So let me also enter the product number to my laptop and press enter once again. And here we'll be able to find the info about our device's warranty status. And as you can see, for me it is expired. And below we can see the start date and the end date of the warranty. And that's pretty much how you check the warranty of your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.